Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan. Welcome back to The Forge. In today's episode of Trust Me, I'm a Blacksmith, I'm going to make a mess of everything. So in this video, we attempt to make a spit roast that I may or may not have mentioned so that we can have our Christmas dinner. Fortunately, my girlfriend is incredible and we've managed to sort it because I haven't finished it, and B, what we did get done was a complete and utter nightmare. But watch the video, there's some really cool stuff in there and I will see you the other end. Oh, and at the end of the video, there'll be something extra special for you guys, a special Christmas present that I know some of you wanted. So you might be like, Dan, some coherency problems here because we just watched you put two round pieces of bar in here and make a swage. Well, you did, and then I put a third one through and didn't video it and wrecked these swages. So come on, focus. So yeah, put a third one through and wrecked these. So we cut them off and made a new one. But this time we're going to try something a little bit different. I've got this profile here, which is 8 by about 16, maybe 15. I'm going to try that in there, and also we've got another 8mm round, piece of 8mm round there that we're going to try. So we're going to do that now and make a proper set of springs. Okay, so these are the revised swages. This little trick works really well. I'm really impressed by how well this works. The only problem is, because these aren't spring steel, they keep falling back on themselves. Sometimes mild steel ones are okay, but I think these are a bit thin and they're just not up to the job. So at some point I'm going to try and reinforce or replace this spring at the back. But these are the tenons. These are the next rails that we're putting in, and we're just going to put the tenons in now, so I'm going to show you doing that, and then we'll have everything ready to get put together, so we will have the fire basket done within the hour, hopefully. So I'm going to do this now, and then yeah, see you in a minute. I'm not going to show you the fire basket because it was an absolute disaster. I've still got the rest of the frame to make, and it is the day before Christmas. No, it's not the day before Christmas. It's 2 days before Christmas, and yeah, it's not getting done. And I'm fed up and tired, and I got the gate finished, so there'll be a gate video. And I've been dealing with another customer. Things haven't quite gone as planned. Something overrun the other day, and it wasn't supposed to. Anyway, blah blah blah. Tears, baby violins. But this was awesome, and this worked really well, and I'm really, 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 really pleased with it, except from the spring bit, but I'm going to modify that at a later date. I'll probably do a video just on this at some point, but you will have seen it in action. It's amazing, it went really well, so I'm really pleased with it. And now on to your Christmas present, I think. Luke! Yes, bring in the Christmas pudding! Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
You may have seen Luke in the video. He does try to stay out of the way. But a lot of you last year saw this video of me blowing the Christmas pudding up, and I'm going to go one better this year. I'm going to go Christmas pudding plus custard. It's like I said in the last video, we normally have it with brandy and then set fire to it. But again, I don't want to burn the building down, so that's not going to happen. Some sort of like Christmas orientated napalm. So anyway, this is going under the Massey. Yeah. Okay, so Christmas pudding plus a branded version of custard that we have here in the UK. I don't know if I can say what it is, but anyway, I'm going to put I'm going to now nickname the Christmas pudding plate and the Christmas pudding and the custard underneath the Massey, and yeah, so Christmas pudding. Okay, so I'm nicknaming this the Great Wall. Yeah, this Massey's here, camera's over there, behind us pane of glass, which we found. I think it's Josh's. Sorry, Josh. I mean, this is more fun than whatever we did today. Hopefully we're nice and close. I'm going to try and get a good close-up. And I've got my camera, and you've got yours. Yeah. So we'll see what happens. Okay, cool. Right. There you are. That's what you're going to see. Probably zoomed in a bit. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! I hope everyone's happy. Christmas pudding and custard. That's disgusting. I have no idea how we're going to clean all this up. Christmas pudding and custard. 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 Focus, damn you. Christmas pudding and custard. It sort of gets to a height and then it sort of pans. Custard, custard, more custard. It's everywhere, the custard. It's all over the side of the forge. It's all up the door. Oh, there's a little crack in the door. I wonder, oh, there's some Christmas pudding. I wonder how far that went. Christmas pudding and custard. Yeah, did a good job this time. Oh God, I wonder what the smell's gonna be like. Custard. Christmas pudding. I can't see another back wall, but there we are. There's the power hammer. Like I just said, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. That was loads of fun. I really enjoyed that. It's a nice way to unwind after having a stressful day where nothing has been achieved. But yeah, it was quite funny. I quite enjoyed that. That's everything. Thank you for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed this episode. We didn't really achieve very much in this episode except for maybe an epic pair of swages, which I will be using a lot more in the future. I definitely know that. I'm going to make another video on those swages talking about how the maths behind it, because there is a bit of an equation to work out that spread. So thank you everyone for following the channel, being a subscriber, Patreons, anyone who's commented, just in general, thank you for being part of the team, and thank you for commenting, liking, sharing, just anything really, and I'm going to leave it at that. If you enjoyed the video, if you did, remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you are a subscriber, please ring that bell for notifications, because it will tell you every time I make a video. I normally make them about twice a week. Sometimes I do a live or the odd extra video now and then. We're very busy in the new year, which is going to be really good, like I said. Say hello in the comments or whatever, and that is everything. So thank you for joining me. I will see you guys in the new year. Until then, check out some links up here for a video where I did something before. There's something else here. This is my Patreon, great way to support the channel, and this down here is the subscribe button. Thanks guys and girls.